step into the Acura 2019 TLX 2.4L technology package. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle's top features include navigation system, 10 speakers, AM/FM radio, SiriusXM, CD player, premium audio system, Acura ELS surround, radio data system, radio, ELS studio premium audio system, air conditioning and automatic temperature control. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.